I had some spare time and I wanted to walk by the lake with the lake views, and then the trail took me up to the forest and I walked most of the time in the forest up, and I was like, oh fuck it all. And then I come out to this clearing with these views. Thank you, Switzerland. I would do that again. So nice. And I came down to the town. I'm gonna find a train station now. I am back to town, but to another town. It was like 8 kilometers away, and the trail is absolutely magical. It takes you through forests and fields. It has these clearings with absolutely gorgeous views over the whole lake and peaks, and then it takes you by the river and you see a few waterfalls. Then you walk through a tunnel. It's just like a magical adventure, the whole trail. And it was so random for me to go there. I didn't really know where I'm going in the morning. I was sure I will not be able to see much, and I'm so grateful I saw so much.